Should you buy or sell Altimmune stock? In this video, we will delve into Altimmune and provide you with a comprehensive analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 29, 2023, and now we're going to give you an even more detailed understanding. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since November 20, 2023, our system has identified Altimmune as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.93. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 327.76% since we first listed Altimmune as a buy candidate 28 days ago. That's an average return of 11.71% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected that the stock will react and move towards the lower part of this trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $11.74, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential change of 165.86% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 30.28% and 177.39%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a minus 45.50% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between minus 98.44% and minus 43.89%. This would mean a price range of $0.176 to $6.31 after 12 months. In today's update on Altimmune, we have an interesting headline: High volatility in Altimmune Incorporated stock price on Friday, with the price ending at $11.25. On the last trading day, which was Friday, December 29, 2023, Altimmune Incorporated stock price experienced a decline of 3.18%, going from $11.62 to $11.25. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 11.3%, reaching a low of $10.67 and a high of $11.88. It's important to note that the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, showing an overall increase of 60.71% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume usually follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 6 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $102.75 million. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price reached during this period was $17.17, while the lowest was $2.09. Currently, the stock price is 34.48% below the 52-week high, which is equivalent to a difference of $5.92. Moreover, it is 68.97% below the all-time high, which was achieved on September 20, 2018, when the price reached $36.25. Let's talk about analyst ratings. On Tuesday, December 20, 2022, Piper Sandler gave Alt a grade of overweight with a recommended action to hold. Moving on to Thursday, December 1, 2022, Goldman Sachs rated Alt as a buy with an initial action of initialize. On Friday, November 11, 2022, JMP Securities gave Alt a grade of market outperform with a recommended action to hold. Going back to Tuesday, August 30, 2022, Piper Sandler rated Alt as overweight with a recommended action to hold. Lastly, on Friday, August 12, 2022, B. Riley Securities gave Alt a grade of buy with a recommended action to hold. Analysts have given a general neutral rating to Altimmune stock. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as also a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a sell rating. Altimmune Incorporated has shown positive signals in its stock performance. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the short-term average is above the long-term average, reinforcing the buy signal. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at $10.05 and $5.50. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals that could impact the stock's near-term development. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 3.18% decline. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume of trading decreased along with the price on the last trading day, reducing overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicated a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 49 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average indicated a buy signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about Altimmune Incorporated and its support, risk, and stop-loss levels. Altimmune Incorporated currently has a support level at $10.97, which means that this price level has seen significant buying activity in the past. This could present a potential buying opportunity, as we may expect an upwards reaction when the support level is tested. It's important to note that this stock is considered to be very high risk due to its high volatility. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock. So if you're considering investing in Altimmune, be aware that it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Looking at the recent performance, Altimmune had a price range of $1.21 between its high and low, representing a 11.3% change. And over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 15.53%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Altimmune, let's begin by understanding some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This critical ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a consistently negative P/E ratio may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 27, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.350. These numbers can significantly impact stock prices, so it's essential to keep an eye on them. Let's now explore the potential day trading levels for Altimmune. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Altimmune is at $11.35. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Altimmune encounters its first support level at $10.97. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The average rating for Altimmune from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On September 28, 2023, Schaefer Klaus conducted an insider buy of 26,100 shares of stock options, option to buy. On September 28, 2023, Drutz David conducted an insider buy of 26,100 shares of stock options, option to buy. On September 28, 2023, Hodges Philip conducted an insider buy of 26,100 shares of stock options, option to buy. On September 28, 2023, Sohn Catherine A. conducted an insider buy of 26,100 shares of stock options, option to buy. On September 28, 2023, Gil John conducted an insider buy of 26,100 shares of stock options, option to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 65.073. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,590,953 shares and sold 378,311 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $10.72, representing a decrease of 4.67%. This particular stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which also entails a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Altimmune stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Altimmune Incorporated stock shows positive short-term signals and a generally good trend. This indicates a potential buying opportunity. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Looking at the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price of Altimmune stock is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, January 2nd, we anticipate that Altimmune will open up by $0.0178 and start trading at $11.27. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, always consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that the information provided by StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for this particular stock? Let's engage in a meaningful conversation. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We believe in your trading success and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.